welcome to Digital Investment. Oh boy, market did quite well today. Market was not bit rising today, but my portfolio did good. That's what I meant. Big gains came from Marksans Pharma, which I'm going to present, which is the main topic of this video. And Geo Financial Service, Reliance Industry absolutely killed it. And SBI has been going on a strong bull run, but I started to feel some skepticism around it. I'll let you know later. Bharat Electronics is one of the stock which did absolutely well. So I'll give an overview on Marksans Pharma Q2. Everybody were selling this stock. It was going on a crazy selling pressure. If you look at earnings, post earnings, it went on a crazy selling spree. I entered perfectly when it when yeah, since his biggest crash. I think not this is not sure where his actual crash happened. Yeah, since his biggest this is his crash. I'll open the crash where the crash happened. Yeah, so after it crashed, it went on a crazy selling spree. After it, Q1 was announced. So I kept buying the dip because I saw the potential in this company. Company is actively expanding its active basis. They're investing in R&D. They're going every. They are actively expanding. So I took a bold bet and I bought the dip. This was a bit of a risky stock. You can watch my previous video as to why I did that. Why I kept buying the dip. So follow I give a suggestion. Any stock which you're trading or invested in, read the management commentary. That is what sets the tone till the next quarter. So I follow the management commentary. Managing Director Mark Saldana stated Q2 FY26 was a strong quarter with revenue out 16% and driven by market driven by de- demand in key market, especially in the US, despite margin compression. Even with tariff, even with Trump's pressure of abandoning Indian exports to Indian pharma to US, this still demand gained quite a good. It still gained quite a good this one performance this quarter. Especially its US market gained about 30%. 30%. Especially its revenue came from US. And globally, it accounted for 55% of its revenue, which was fantastic. Even with, like I said, even with this tariff, solid, it still gained a lot of order books from US, which is fantastic. It did very well, Marksans Pharma, and I'm super excited to be holding Marksans Pharma for a longer time. And I'm so proud. I kept buying the dip. I was a bit skeptical whether it will work out or work out, but I still kept buying the dip. And apart from that, apart from Marksans Pharma, I shorted a stock. Actually, I was I was invested in this stock, but I started seeing management selling a bit. Strong selling pressure started, so I started to be a bit skepticism. I made around I bought it around 600 bucks and I sold it around like 900. So I made a quite a good profit on that. So it didn't did quite well this quarter. PG Electroplast. Even with this strong quarter, very bad quarter, it dropped 88% year to year, and revenue accounted. Revenue 655 crores. Even with that, across all its segment, it did very bad. Revenue dropped down very bad, and still it went on a crazy bull run. So I shorted, and these are the kind of company which I want to short for a longer period of time, because these stocks deserve no hype. It deserves no hype. I wanted to hold this. Look at its, and plus it's 58 times its earning, and it's dragging down. Its revenue is dropping, and profit is dropping. This is not meaning of a growth stock. Your growth stock is BLS International, Marksans Pharma. There are plenty of growth stock. You should be investing in that. So I am going to short this on Monday as well. I'm super excited to see it draw down. You know, so we'll see. And apart from that, I went long on Pine Labs. I went long on Pine Labs. My average entry was here. I took half my profits here. Then it crashed very badly. Then I made a loss of pity. I took a half of a profit here, this area. Then I, then it, I kept rest of the shares, so it crashed down. So yeah, so I'm super excited for Marksans Pharma long-term view, considering its revenue growth, everything. So we will see how it does in the future. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on Sunday or Monday's video. Bye.